The first thing you're going to need to do is when you approach the treadmill, you can simply just step on it like so, and you can actually just tap on the screen right here. In doing so, it will turn on, and you actually need to enter in the device passcode. This is mandatory just for safety reasons. You can't turn it off, but then you just want to select your profile, whichever one you're using, or you can actually log in, create an account. And once you've done that, on this next page right here, you can actually see there's a bunch of different activities. It says the day of the week, your goals. If you want to select any of these walks, runs, or even a hike, there's 3 different sports. You can do that, or you can actually click on the experiences down here. And once on this page, you can actually choose the just run, scenic run, or any of these other runs. If you don't want to do a Peloton workout, I'm just going to do just run right here. This is the normal treadmill option. You can choose time goal, distance, output, or no goal, which is what we want to do probably. And you can basically start it as a normal treadmill. In doing so, to increase the speed, you just want to use this little thing right here, and you can actually see the speed will increase like so, and just turn this to do incline, which can be displayed right there. It's all you need to do, and you can view your distance down there, and that's all you need to do to use a Peloton treadmill. And stop is obviously the button right here, or the pause or end workout up here.